Hello and welcome to Quassi's Bell Tower with your host, Quassi. And today we are going to be opening up the August RPG crate. So first of all, I opened this up already like I always do, and I decided to take a look at that shirt because it's so beautiful. It is Arctic Owlbears. I don't know if they push this out on purpose like this because, hey, it's football season now. So I decided to wear my Carolina hat because I love this color here. And I love the Carolina colors too. But anyways, let's get to this RPG crate. Okay. RPG presents Arctic Adventures. New Season 3. Oh wow, it's been 3 years or 3 seasons already? Holy cow. So Arctic Adventures. I wonder what this is called. For the new season. I know it's probably not Arctic season. Let's check that out. Okay, well, you know what? Let's get to the RPG thing first. So we have our card for August. That's crate number 25. So yes, they are on their third season now. Check some more of this out. There is our card for the Arctic Adventure. This is Arctic Owlbear Steaks. One of our little recipe cards. That's really cool. Got a nice little quest on the back. I love these. I really can't wait until I start playing these. I think this year I'm actually going to try to get my nephews into playing Dungeons and Dragons, and I'm going to start them off with the very first RPG crate that ever came out. So hopefully this year I get to do it. I know the kids right now are in the middle of their football and all that, so hopefully when that slows down, we can get into playing. So next we have our effing cool miniatures, and this one looks like an owlbear. There's 3 pieces, so I will have to do some assembling. I'll show up a close-up of this after I put it together, so don't be afraid, or don't be worried. Don't be afraid, yeah. Anyways, so let's continue on, and we got more of these cards that we got last time, the Atmar's card again, so I'm going to open these bad boys and check them out again because these are really cool last time. And I think the last one we got was like Fire, I think, if I'm correct. I can't really remember. But this looks like set 2. And I'm really digging these cards. I thought they were awesome last time. So let's check these out real quick. Try to open this up without ripping it open. There we go. Once again, a whole bunch of cards in this one too. Just pretty much the same amount as last time. Where was there so many cards in this? 52 cards. So here we go again, and bringing your gaming to the next level. So this is just a basic waste card. Learn more about the creatures in this deck. Oh man, do not tell me this. Okay, do not tell me this is just advertisements. Coming soon, blah blah blah. Okay, so looks like they got a little bit of directions and rules and everything else they did last time, but I know these are upside down, guys, but basically it's a whole bunch of just cards set up for their quests and everything else, and I'm sure you can just randomly do what you want with these too. I think these are really cool. Ooh, that's pretty interesting, wherever that went. That's interesting. So yeah, definitely going to check these out later on and take a better look at them. But these are done by Norse Foundry again. Awesome company. I think they are. That's my opinion, of course. So let's continue on for right now. Okay, next we have our quests. And these are RPG Crate Season 3. Ancient Legends is going to be the new series, it looks like. The first one is called Frostbite. There's that, and then there's the back, and then Goblins Deep. There's that, and then there's that. Once again, these are beautifully done, nicely laminated. This one's called One for All. There's that, and there's the back. So those look really nice. I'm really impressed. I'm glad they brought the cards back again, and I'm really loving the shirt too. Okay, so we have a book from Frog God Games again. Looks like a small book. $15 value, by the way, it says on here. Called Bards Tale, The Lost Lands. or the Lost Lands Bard Tales. Or Bards, sorry, my mistake, the Lost Lands Bard's Gate. The Riot Act. So this is a small adventure, it looks like. Only 15, actually a little less than that, and that's just a handout thing. So it looks like probably 14 pages. Got some interesting artwork in it. Okay, let's see. Well, you know, some more maps, some more drawings. Black and white, kind of, you know, it's all right that it's in black and white. It doesn't matter if it's in black and white or color, but when they put color in it, you know they spent a little bit of money on it. So that's that. So that's everything else. There's the pick and pluck, nothing special in it. I kind of wish they would do, I said this before, I wish they would kind of do like a birthday one for, like, you know, you tell them when your birthday is, and then that box set, that month they put something special in underneath it, like it's a surprise. That would be cool. Don't know if you guys will ever do it, but that would be cool, you know, give us something extra. Of course, I'm sure that would cost money too. But anyways, let me get back to this. I'm really digging this. Let's see, make sure we got everything to it. This is, let's see, we got the t-shirt, the miniature, the cards, the recipe, the adventures, the Riot Act book, the Dragon Foam, and downloading stuff. Now that you're on Season 3, I'm hoping you got Season 2's download stuff updated. I hope you guys aren't behind on that anymore. I hope it's updated. I'll have to check it out. Please say it's updated. But anyways, let me give my rating of this. The cards are awesome. I really like the cards. I don't have a owlbear, so this is freaking perfect. The book, the adventure thing, it's kind of a small adventure or whatever else, but I'm sure it's good. But when I saw this t-shirt, I was like, bam, that is freaking awesome. Did they make that come out like that on purpose because football season's starting? I mean, I know owlbear, that's the whole, probably the whole thing for this. But I just saw this and I'm like, hey, look, they're getting ready for football. I don't know, I thought this was a pretty cool set. It's basically the same thing it is almost every month, but no crayons, no silly stuff that, you know, we really don't need. I really love the cards. I hope you guys keep these going. Keep the miniatures going. You know, I really like this. This shirt just like made it that much better for me. Geez, I'm gonna go with an A. I think this is a pretty good box set. I was impressed with it, and I'm glad that we're on to Season 3, which I totally forgot it was that time of the year. So that's awesome, and I don't know what else to tell you guys, but please subscribe, hit that notification button, and until next time.